Hey friends, if you encounter the device not migrated message on your Windows computers, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the first one is to update the device drivers. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced options in the right pane, select optional updates. If any update is available, then update it and also return to the Windows Update page and click on check for updates. The next solution is to update Windows, which we have already done, and the last one is to reset the BIOS. Now listen to this one very carefully. Let's say I have an Asus computer. The procedure will remain the same for a Dell, HP, Lenovo computer, but you will have to go to the brand website instead. So I have an Asus computer, so I'll search for Asus drivers and then go to downloadcenter.asus.com and search your model number. Mine is FA507RE. I will go to this page. I'll go to drivers and tools. I'll go to BIOS and firmware and I'll download the BIOS and then I'll simply click on open. This will install it on my system. Now I'm not going to click on open because I don't want to reinstall it, but all you need to do is click on open here and it will install the BIOS on your system, thus fixing the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.